Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share some tips on how to create a beautiful entrance garden for your home. Your entrance garden is the first thing visitors will see when they come to your home. So it's important to make a good impression. Let's get started. Plan your entrance garden. Before you start planting, it is important to plan your entrance garden. Take a look at the area you want to plant and think about the style and design you want to achieve. Consider the size of the space, the amount of sunlight it receives, and the type of soil you have. Choose the right plants. Choosing the right plants for your entrance garden is crucial. You want to select plants that are low maintenance, look great year round, and complement your home's exterior. Some popular choices include evergreens, ornamental grasses, and perennials. Add some color. Adding color to your entrance garden is a great way to make it stand out. You can add color through flowering plants, colorful foliage, or even garden ornaments. Just be sure to choose color that complement your home's exterior. Create a focal point. A focal point can be a great addition to your entrance garden. This could be a statue, a water feature, or even a bench. It's important to choose a focal point that complements the overall style of your entrance garden. Add some lighting. Adding lighting to your entrance garden is a great way to create a welcome atmosphere. You can use outdoor lighting to highlight your plants, illuminate your walkway, or even create a cozy ambience. Just be sure to choose lighting that is weather resisting and energy efficient. Consider the style of your home. When planning your entrance garden, consider the style of your home. You want to choose plants and design elements that complement the architecture of your home. For example, if you have a traditional style home, you might want to consider a classic formal garden design. Incorporate different texture. Incorporating different textures is a great way to add interest to your entrance garden. You can do this by combining plants with different leaf shapes and textures, or by adding hardscaping elements like stone pathways or a wooden arbor. Create a welcoming pathway. Creating a welcoming pathway is important for guiding visitors to your front door. You can use stepping stones, a gravel path, or even a colorful mosaic to create a pathway that complements your entrance garden. Maintain your garden. Maintaining your entrance garden is important for keeping it looking beautiful year round. This includes regular watering, fertilizing, and pruning. You can also add mulch to help retain moisture and prevent weed growth. Have fun with it. Creating a home entrance garden should be a fun and enjoyable experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plants, combinations, or design elements. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a beautiful entrance garden that reflects your personal style and enhances the curb appeal of your home. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you create a beautiful entrance garden for your home. Remember, your entrance garden is the first thing visitors will see when they come to your home, so make it count. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.